Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on Mars? Our fascination with the red planet is not a recent development. It has been a part of human curiosity for thousands of years, a fixation that has transcended cultures and generations. Ancient civilizations looked up at the night sky and marveled at the enigmatic red orb. They named it after their gods of war and destruction, a testament to its fiery and intimidating appearance. As time progressed, so did our understanding of Mars. It was no longer just a celestial body of myth and legend, but a physical entity that could be studied and explored. The advent of the telescope in the 17th century allowed us to see Mars in a new light, revealing its polar ice caps and dark surface features. This led to speculation of possible Martian life, sparking a fire in the realm of science fiction. The allure of Mars was not confined to the pages of novels. It extended into the realm of scientific inquiry, leading to the first proposals to send humans to Mars in the late 1940s. Organizations and space agencies from around the globe, including NASA, CNSA, the European Space Agency, Boeing, and SpaceX, have since put forth plans for human missions to Mars. The idea of setting foot on Mars, once a fanciful dream, had started to take shape as a potential reality. However, the journey from dreaming to actually setting foot on the red planet is a long and complex one. It requires not just technological advancements, but a profound understanding of the Martian environment and a readiness to face the physical challenges that come with long-duration space travel. As we stand on the precipice of this new frontier, we can only wonder about the possibilities that lie ahead and the challenges that we have yet to overcome. The first serious proposals to send humans to Mars began in the 1940s. During this period, a flurry of ideas and plans started to emerge, each one more ambitious than the last. The dream of Mars was no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It became a real goal for humanity to achieve. Among the earliest champions of this grand vision were NASA and the European Space Agency. NASA, already a pioneer in space exploration, began exploring the feasibility of a manned mission to Mars. They started analyzing the necessary technologies, potential flight paths, and the incredible amount of resources that such an endeavor would require. On the other side of the Atlantic, the European Space Agency was conducting its own studies. Their approach was rooted in scientific curiosity, seeking to understand the Martian environment, its potential for life, and the unique challenges a crew would face on the red planet. These early plans ranged from straightforward scientific expeditions to more ambitious proposals for colonization and continuous habitation. Some even suggested exploring Mars's two moons, Phobos and Deimos. The visions were grand, the plans were bold, and the enthusiasm was palpable. Yet the complexities of such a mission soon became apparent. The energy required for transfer between Earth and Mars orbits varies on a 15-year cycle. Different mission plans were proposed, including Hohmann transfer orbits, which would take about 34 months, and shorter round-trip flight times of 400 to 450 days. Aerobraking at Mars was studied to reduce the mass required for a human Mars mission. On top of the technical challenges, there was the financial aspect. The estimated costs for sending humans to Mars were astronomical, reaching into the hundreds of billions of dollars. This enormous financial burden was a significant hurdle that could not be easily overcome. Despite the enthusiasm, the technical and financial challenges were too great to overcome at that time. But these early plans laid the groundwork for the future, igniting a spark that would continue to burn brightly in the hearts of space enthusiasts and scientists alike. Fast forward to the present day, and the vision for a human mission to Mars is stronger than ever. Modern enterprises like SpaceX and Boeing are spearheading this cosmic endeavor, armed with advanced technology and innovative strategies. SpaceX, for instance, is no stranger to the idea of interplanetary travel. Led by the ambitious Elon Musk, the company is developing the Starship, a spacecraft designed to transport humans to Mars and potentially other planets. They envision a future where humans are a multi-planetary species with a self-sustaining colony on Mars. The Starship is expected to be fully reusable, an innovation that could drastically reduce the costs of space travel. Boeing, another significant player, is also stepping up to the plate. They're focusing on the development of their Space Launch System, a powerful rocket designed to carry astronauts further into space than ever before. Boeing's vision is to assist NASA in their goal of landing humans on Mars, and they're leveraging their decades of aerospace expertise to make this a reality. Overcoming the challenges of a Mars mission requires more than just powerful rockets though. Modern technology is playing a crucial role in every aspect of these plans. For instance, haptic technologies are being considered for virtual visits to Mars, allowing scientists to explore the Martian surface from the safety of Earth. Aerobraking, a technique to slow spacecraft by using a planet's atmosphere, is being studied to reduce the mass required for a human Mars mission. But it's not just about the journey. These organizations are also thinking about what happens when we get there. Plans for colonization and continuous habitation are being explored, with ideas ranging from Mars habitats to terraforming the Red Planet. Yet, the question remains, is it really possible to live on Mars? A human mission to Mars is not without its fair share of challenges. It's a statement that encapsulates an array of technical hurdles, each as formidable as the last. Let's delve into some of these, shall we? Firstly, there's the issue of distance. Mars isn't exactly a hop, skip, and a jump away from our home planet. Far from it, in fact. The farthest we've journeyed is our own moon, and Mars is over 100 times further. Depending on the alignment of Earth and Mars, the distance fluctuates between 35 million to 250 million miles. To put it into perspective, a mission to Mars, even using the most efficient home and transfer orbits, would take about 34 months. That's nearly 3 years of travel, a duration that presents its own set of challenges. Secondly, there's the need for suitable landing sites. Mars is a rugged, unforgiving landscape. It's not just a matter of finding a flat spot to land. We have to consider the Martian atmosphere, which is less than 1% the thickness of Earth's. This thin atmosphere makes safe landings incredibly difficult. It's a challenge we've faced even with robotic landers, with several missions ending in failure. Next, we come to the dangers of radiation exposure and the effects of microgravity. Astronauts on a Mars mission would be exposed to cosmic rays and solar particle events that could lead to severe health issues. Moreover, the effects of long-duration space travel and living in microgravity conditions could lead to muscle and bone loss, vision problems, and a host of other health risks. And finally, there's the elephant in the room: the cost. Sending humans to Mars is a mammoth financial endeavor. With estimated costs hovering around $500 billion, it's a venture that calls for substantial funding. Critics argue that the benefits don't warrant such a hefty price tag and suggest that funds could be better utilized for robotic exploration. These challenges are formidable, but not insurmountable. The road to Mars is filled with obstacles, but with each passing year, we inch closer to turning this dream into reality. The journey is tough. The stakes are high, but so are the rewards. Imagine a future where humans have successfully colonized Mars. It's a prospect that's as thrilling as it is daunting, almost like a science fiction novel coming to life. But let's try to unwrap what this could truly mean for us, for humanity as a whole. Firstly, a successful Mars mission would undoubtedly spark public interest. Picture the excitement, the anticipation, the collective gasps as the first human footprints are etched onto the Martian surface. It would be a momentous occasion, a spectacle unlike any other, and one that would rekindle our fascination with the cosmos. This mission could also foster global cooperation on a scale we've never seen before. Nations from around the world uniting, pooling resources, and working together towards a common goal. It's a beautiful thought, isn't it? The potential for unity and collaboration is immense, and it's something we could certainly use in these divisive times. But it's not just about the scientific achievement or the unity, it's about the expansion of human boundaries. The successful colonization of Mars could pave the way for space tourism. Imagine vacationing on Mars, watching a sunrise on a different planet, or stargazing from a Martian vista. It's a concept that sounds far-fetched now, but could become a reality within our lifetimes. And let's not forget the Martian moons, Phobos and Deimos. These celestial bodies, once just specks of light in the night sky, could become destinations for exploration and study. The knowledge we could gain from these moons is immeasurable and could answer questions we've had about our universe for centuries. The journey to Mars is a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. It's a bold step into the unknown, a daring leap towards a future that's as exciting as it is unknown. And who knows what wonders await us on the red planet.